Hey y'all, I'm getting ready to make some Jiffy mix cornbread. This way, it's going to be delicious. Check it out what I'm finna do. We got 2 boxes of Jiffy mix, the honey kind. I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of Miracle Whip. Yes, Miracle Whip. We got some milk. We got 3 eggs. We got 1 stick of unsalted butter. And we got a half a cup of sugar. Okay, let's get to mixing this up. Okay, I know that the Jiffy Mix is going to have a lot of lumps in it. So we're going to get those smoothed out. Oh, it's not that bad. Not this box. Okay, second box. Let's see what we're working with. The honey kind is really good. Okay, and the second box. My oven is already preheated to 350. I'm not going to put it on 400. 350. And I'm going to be making muffins. Okay, the big clumps is out. So, let's get started. Okay, we got the half a cup of sugar. 1 stick of butter. Okay, we got the 3 eggs. One. 2. And last one. 3rd egg. Okay, we got our milk. Got 3/4 cup of milk. And don't forget the 2 tablespoons of Miracle Whip. Yeah, I said it right, Miracle Whip. It's gonna make it creamy. 1, 2. Alrighty. Now, let's get to mixing. Make sure you get everything mixed all in there together. And that muffin or the whole cornbread in the pan is going to turn out beautiful. Yes. Okay. Stir it one more time. Make sure everything is incorporated in there. Then we're going to put it in the muffin tins. Okay, here we go. Move this to the side and bring up the I sprayed this with Pam, the muffin tins, and I'm just going to scoop it out with an ice cream scooper. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to have to get that up. Because when it burns, it's going to look crazy. When it cooks, put the same amount of batter in each cupcake tin. Put the same amount of batter in each one. Yep. Just that easy. Uh-oh. Getting batter everywhere. But just be careful. I know they're going to rise over each one, but that's okay. Move that over a little bit. Drip on the cutting board. Then you could just go back in and put some more. Yeah. Just a little bit more. Alrighty. Got it all. Okay, let me get a paper towel to clean this up. But it's gonna be all right. We still gonna have some cornbread, and it's gonna be good. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put this in the oven on 350. 350 degrees. I think it should take only like 30 minutes. That should do it. And yeah, we're gonna have some good cornbread. I will see y'all when the cornbread gets done. I will let y'all see what it looks like. Okay guys, the muffins should be done. Let's take them out. Let's see what they looking like. They are done. Okay, look at their muffins. They look pretty, don't they? See them up close. They hot. Look at them. They look good, don't they? Yeah. Let's see if they'll just pop out. Yep. They just pop out. So the muffins turned out wonderful. The muffins was a hit.
All right, y'all. Tell the truth. Jiffy Cornbread muffin taste going down. I ain't gonna do y'all like that. Y'all see that? Ain't no joke, nigga. Look how good that is. Ain't no joke. Mm, mm, mm. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. Oh, that's like a melon in my mouth. Not in my hands. All right. Peace. We out of here. Jiffy Cornbread in the box. The best you can get. In Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Going down. Peace. We out of here.